We have another DIOR Beauty unboxing. I've waited a long time to receive this. I'm very excited to see what's inside. I'm pretty sure some amazing gifts with purchase were here. If you want to see what I got, stay tuned. If you are new here, it's Christine, your Artsy Momsy, and in this channel, I am very committed to helping you maximize your DIOR beauty shopping experience. And if you like those kind of content, please like this video and share it to all of your friends so they could enjoy the same perks. And please subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it if you could support me by subscribing. It's free and you will motivate me to keep doing these videos. All right, let's get to our unboxing. Okay, let's unbox. Very excited. Wow. So, I ordered this in October, so yeah, I wasn't expecting the holiday couture box, but I actually love this ribbon. I have to do something about my ribbons. I have a lot now, and I should come up with some craft ideas. I'm thinking of a headband, or I saw recently that Dior has this beautiful hair clip. I think I can make one of those with this ribbon. Okie dokie. Here we go. Oopsie. Let it. Oh, I put hello gorgeous. I keep all of these and reuse them for whenever I gift my friends and family. Mostly girls, that's why I always put hello gorgeous. So here you go. This one I could actually just rip. I have a lot of this as well. Yay! Exciting! There you go. Let's start with the stuff that I actually bought first. And you see this a lot in my unboxing. And hopefully they will not discontinue this. This is the Capture Totale Intensive Essence Lotion. I use this every day, day and night. I saw that they have this kind of revamp the Capture Totale and just called it Capture now. And there's actually a new gift set right here that's now available to purchase. And I saw that this is still in that gift set. So hopefully they will not discontinue this because I love this so much. Again, I use this day and night. I don't use any other moisturizer, just this. And it works great for me. So this. And I always tell you guys, this is not sponsored, but after I use this in the morning, I use Madam J tone up cream and I don't use any kind of foundation. Love it. You have it, item number 1. And this one I'm very excited to receive. Finally got it because I'm waiting for the pouch. As usual, have all my favorite items here. Oh my gosh, love it. Love the tweed-like material and of course the embroidered Dior logo right there. And this is what I like the most about this one. They're like cute little charms. So I love that they use the CD and the star right there for the zipper pull. That is such a wonderful touch. And this one zip all the way down. Awesome. Oh, and I like this additional detail right here. It's like to keep your stuff from falling off. Look at them. They are sisters. I hope they come up with the red version of this as well because there's a red version of this one. And if you haven't seen my recent video about the latest Dior promo codes, make sure you watch that after you watch this video because the red version of this is available with your minimum purchase of $125. The promo code is Lunar25 and there's a lot of other promo codes that you can enjoy and you can choose from. Alright, let's get back to our unboxing. So in Canada, I saw that some gift set with this one still available in the Dior Canada website. I think there's a few at Holt Renfrew and also at the Bay, Hudson Bay. So if you haven't got your hands with this pouch yet and you still want it, at the Holt Renfrew, there's a promotion going on right now. Gift with purchase for your minimum purchase of $200 and you will receive the Dior denim pouch. So if you want that deal and also want to get one of these, Holt Renfrew is the place to go. So love it. And the items that I got here, again, all-time favorite. If you are a seasoned subscriber, you could already guess what I have here. Favorite lip maximizer in shade 001. I love this. This is what I'm wearing right now. It just complements your natural lip color and it makes it nice and glowy and looks very healthy. So this is what I use. Every day I alternate. Sometimes it's just this, sometimes it's just this, especially if I'm not going anywhere or if I don't need to wear makeup. And this is the lip glow. I have to say, if you've seen my unboxing last time, I got the ones in blackberry and berry color, which has more pigmentation, darker reds. But I have to say, they don't keep your lips as moisturized as this one. This one is better for long-lasting moisturization. The other two are just great lip color. They blend nicely on the lips. They look very natural when you put it on, and I'll create another video like comparing everything. But if you need something to keep your lips moisturized, looking healthy, this is the best option, the Lip Glow 001. I saw that there's a new product, the lip balm, that also has a touch of pink. I kind of want to try that as well. So we will see. Maybe in my next purchase, I will add that one and let you know if it's a good one or not. So there you have it. Favorite products. This one I don't use as much anymore since I started using the Madame J serum. But whenever I travel, this is the one I carry because it's smaller and I love it to moisturize my skin whenever I travel. And it's really good. And also, I feel like it kind of blurs my pores. So this is a great product. This is the one that they just recently updated. It's just called Capture Serum now. And it's way more expensive. So I don't know if I'll ever buy that one, but I'm just glad I have this smaller size for when I am traveling. So there you have it. Those are all the items I got. And with that, of course, we have some freebies. I feel like something is missing here. I can find oh, there you have it. Okay, I thought they forgot to give me this. Alright, so the samples are here. And I got the usual ones. I got the mini lipstick. And I wish they would add different colors for the sample lipstick, because it's always the red one. The 999 red mini lipstick. Perfect for gifting. I actually have a few friends I met here that I want to gift them this, so it's great that I have it. And then I also have, again, I always get this whenever it's available. It's the Lip Maximizer, the small version. Look at this. So this is the full size and this is the baby one. Oh, super cute. So again, super great for gifting. Other two samples I got, I have the J'adore and the Oud Spahan. This was very popular. I remember when I used to have Etsy and I collected so much of this and I just sold them like 5 at a time. They are gone very quick. So 5 pieces, I think I sold them for like 12, 15 bucks, and they're always sold out. So I think people love this, especially because they were very expensive. The full size are super expensive. I think that's why they were sold out very quick. But I don't sell on eBay nor Etsy anymore. But maybe in the future I'll go back to selling. And now the main gift with purchase that I'm very excited to receive. Ta-da! This is the DIOR white bucket pouch. And if you have seen my videos before, you know that I also have this that I brought with me in Hawaii, and it had a lot of views. I feel like it still has some beach sand, has some stain. Super easy to carry and still very stylish. And if you're going on vacation, especially tropical islands, you don't want to be very flashy, especially if you're just staying mostly at the beach or poolside. You want something simple, easy to carry that could actually carry a lot of stuff. So I put here lotion, some wipes, and I had here my phone, my GoPro, my sunblock, my shades. It could fit a lot of stuff. So this is such a great holiday companion, especially if you're going to the beach. And now I have a second one. So this one has the embroidered DIOR logo, while this one, I have to say though, this is the logo that I like the most because it's very low-key. But this is just as beautiful. And the gift with purchase we have here, again, all my favorite products. Oh my gosh. I'm already excited because I feel like the size are super good. Oh yes, they are. These are great size. This is, again, my favorite Capture Totale Intensive Essence Lotion. I love that it is a great size because I think they came up with a set with all the travel size, and that alone is already 100 bucks. So this set right here with the essence lotion, and I have a tiny serum. I was actually hoping that this was the foaming facial wash, but I'll take it. And we have also a great size of the Cell Energy Cream, and of course the eye cream. There you go. This same set right here is 100 bucks. I think it's not available anymore, but if it's available I will link it below. But with all the gift with purchase I received, so that's the same one, that's like 100 bucks already, just for the bucket, the white bucket pouch with all the skincare products in it. So I think this haul is super worth it, especially they are the products that I love to use. And that's why I want to remind all of you that when you shop for the DIOR Beauty products, maybe prioritize the gifts with purchase that you actually use, or that you know that are giftable, that you could easily gift to your friends and family. Because these gifts with purchase, they're always coming back. The year just started. So it's okay to miss a gift with purchase now, because I know, there's February, the Valentine's Day, DIOR hasn't really came out with the big gift with purchase for Lunar New Year yet, which usually is really great as well. So if there's nothing urgent, I highly recommend that you wait. So again, there's Lunar New Year, February Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and then there's 4th of July. There's those big holiday when there's the most gift with purchase. And like I've said, if you're not in a hurry, better wait. So that's another DIOR Beauty unboxing. I appreciate you all for spending a little of your time to watch my video. I hope to see you again in my next one. Bye-bye.